Hello fellow pet enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're celebrating the delightful Pomeranian breed. If you're a proud Pomeranian owner, you'll know that these tiny balls of fluff have a personality like no other. In this video, we'll explore 10 things that only Pomeranian dog owners truly understand, from their boundless energy to their insatiable curiosity. Our journey begins with the Pom-tastic energy that Pomeranians bring into your life. These pint-sized dynamos are brimming with vitality, and their perpetual playfulness is something every Pomeranian owner can relate to. Whether it's a lively game of fetch or their joyful frolicking around the house, Pomeranians have a remarkable knack for infusing your days with endless laughter. Next up, the mighty fluffball. Pomeranians are famed for their luxurious double coats, a signature feature that requires consistent upkeep. As a Pomeranian owner, you soon discover the importance of regular grooming to maintain their regal appearance. Brushing, bathing, and occasional trims become part of your routine to ensure their magnificent fur remains as stunning as ever. Number 3 on our list is the barky but brave nature of Pomeranians. These small dogs possess big voices and take their watchdog role seriously. They'll announce any potential intruder, whether it's a mail carrier, a squirrel, or even a leaf rustling in the wind. While their barking may seem excessive at times, it's a testament to their protective instincts. At number 4, we have the Napoleon complex. Despite their diminutive size, Pomeranians have hearts as mighty as lions. They approach life with unwavering confidence and often challenge much larger dogs, firmly believing they're the undisputed rulers of the canine kingdom. It's a delightful display of their fearless spirit. Now, let's talk about Velcro dogs. Pomeranians form incredibly tight bonds with their owners. They'll shadow you from room to room, providing constant companionship and showering you with affection. This endearing trait means that, as a Pomeranian owner, you'll never feel alone. You'll always have your devoted furry sidekick by your side. Number 6. The Spitz legacy. Pomeranians belong to the Spitz family, and their fox-like faces and elegant prancing gait pay homage to their noble heritage. As a Pomeranian owner, you'll appreciate the heritage and unique qualities that set this breed apart. 7th on our list are the legendary Pomeranian Zoomies. Be prepared for sudden bursts of energy and zoomies that erupt out of nowhere. It's a delightful spectacle, like a miniature tornado of fluff taking over your living room. These spontaneous outbursts are a testament to their joyful nature. Number 8. The Pom-Pom haircut. Many Pomeranian owners opt for the iconic pom-pom haircut, a style that gives them a distinctive, fluffy mane. This chic look is not only adorable but also a nod to the breed's royal heritage. You'll find yourself appreciating this grooming choice as a unique expression of your Pomeranian's personality. Now, let's discuss the lion in the house syndrome. Pomeranians often believe they're the kings and queens of your home. They'll boldly claim your furniture as their throne, asserting their royal presence. As an owner, you'll understand and embrace their confident demeanor and their desire to rule their kingdom, no matter how small it may be. Lastly, we have the Pom Parade. Pomeranians love to show off their charisma, whether it's strutting their stuff in parades, donning adorable costumes, or simply captivating everyone during daily walks. As a Pomeranian owner, you'll become part of their charming entourage, celebrating their ability to steal the spotlight wherever they go. In conclusion, being a Pomeranian owner is an extraordinary journey filled with boundless love and cherished moments. If you found this video resonated with your experiences, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more delightful insights into the world of pets.